Brought to you by JEGS.
Hey, Scott from Ron Francis Wiring. I'd like to show you a couple of connector systems that we offer, as well as employee and our wiring harnesses. First, we have what we call our quick series connectors. They're available from 1 through 8 position, and they use these brass terminals. We like to call these 900Bs, and these guys FMLs. Typically, this FML, which is kind of like a flat slotted terminal, will go into the clear side of the connector. Not always, but typically this side is clear, and it's slotted in the plastic body, so once you terminate the wire onto these terminals, they slide right in there and snap in place. And this 900B, once you crimp it on, it would slide into the back of this side of the connector and snap into place. So if you don't need a sealed connector, these connectors can carry a lot of current. We do also offer them in what we call our pocket pigtails. The termination's already done for you, but then you'd end up having to splice the wires into some existing circuit that you have. And we also offer a crimp tool to crimp these particular terminals. They're a little tricky because they are what's considered open barrel. So basically the flaps of the terminal come over on themselves and cloverleaf into the wire. Next, we have a sealed connector system that Packard Delphi calls Weatherpak. We offer these in 1 through 6 position. They are a sealed connector system, so if you're using something outside of your cockpit or in a wet area, it's a good alternative to go with. The terminals on these are ambidextrous, meaning that either terminal will fit in either half of the connector. They do come with seals as well. As I said, it is a sealed system. So we also have, in that same line of Weatherpak connectors and terminals, we do have a bulkhead connector. It's 22 position. Kind of big, but for those that want to have a disconnect from, say, an engine harness through a firewall, it's a good alternative to go with.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.